Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Flo and today I'm recreating Dua Lipa's physical makeup look. Alright, let me explain the blonde wig because we all know she had a blonde moment and this is the only blonde wig I got. So let's pretend it looks like her. Let's just pretend I look like her a little bit right now, okay? I know that's impossible. Let's pretend it looks good. This is the purple look we're going for on this video. Start right away with your primer. This is a primer by Para. This is a Korean brand and you can find it by searching Blur Pink Peach Milky Blur. It does leave a little bit of a white cast, but it's all good. We're gonna go ahead and cover that up with the NYX foundation called Total Control, and this is a little bit darker than my skin tone, but we want it to look like Dua Lipa goddess self, okay? We want to look like Dua Lipa. This foundation is so light, it's like there's nothing on your skin and it has such full coverage. Maybe not, well, you could make it full coverage if you want to, but I mean, this is amazing. Using my wet beauty sponge, I believe this one might be a Wet n Wild. Yeah, I believe it's from Wet n Wild. Make sure you wet that sponge and then use your favorite concealer to highlight your face. I am using the NYX Cosmetics newest concealer. Love it. Now we all know Laura Mercier. She has the best translucent powder in the game, okay? So go ahead and put some translucent powder on your face to make sure you keep everything locked. This cute little triangle powder puff is everything. It just fits so nice on my face. We're not really baking, we're just pressing powder on our face, make sure everything's locked and looking matte because I am very oily and we want the makeup to last. I mean, I took it off right after, but if you want to use this for the day, make sure you set and lock your foundation and concealer. Now my favorite bronzer right now is the Marc Jacobs. This thing is huge in size and in reputation, okay, because everybody loved this, and I believe, I'm not sure that it's discontinued, but we also had the Marc Jacobs discounts in the Sephora aisle. Not sure what was going on with them, but that's when you want to snatch it, when things got on sale. This is my favorite e.l.f. blush right now. I'm using an e.l.f. brush. I had to say that twice because tongue twister. On my apples of the cheeks. A little higher though because we want to keep a lifted look to the face. Dua Lipa is snatched. Now, because this is a purple look, we want to use this palette, okay? If you have it, it has every purple you can think of, and the pigment is so good you barely even need any. It just does all the work for you. So we're gonna be using a couple of those purples in that palette, but first, titty up your brows. We all know Dua Lipa has amazing brows. Don't look at mine because mine are not that cute, but I'm using this Wet n Wild trio. It's like a little brow kit. Now you want to start with one of the lighter purples. I'm not sure why I'm making that face. I forgot. But anyway, just grab a small flat brush or a fluffy brush. It doesn't matter. We're just going to start on the lid, all over the lid. And just put as much pigment as you can because this look is very easy. There's not much to it. The eyeshadow, I mean. Now with a fluffier brush, I grab a little bit of a darker purple and just put that on the outer corner of your eyelid and start bringing it towards your crease a little bit, just to have some dimension. You don't want just one solid purple, you just want to create a little dimension in there. Now this white shadow was a little too much, but we're gonna pop that on our brows. We're gonna put that on our brow bone just to make it pop a little bit more. It does have a little bit of shimmer, but not really. You could, if you want to, use like a shimmer on your brow bone to make it snap. Oh, I know you couldn't really see what color I picked up there, but that was like a very light purple, 2 of them, and I'm just putting that under the eyeball. I'm putting that under the bottom eyelid, and just look how cute it looks. Look at that purple, that lilac I just put on. That was everything. Make sure you use a little brush for that. Now for the star of the palette, start of the look, we're gonna use this pressed glitter shadow, and just grab any brush. Well, you can grab a flat brush or use your finger and make sure you put that on the center of your eye, just to give it that gleam, that sheen every time you look, you know, like a little pop. And Dua does have that. I'm going off of her picture, by the way. I'm not sure if I said that, but yes, I'm trying to follow her picture. Whoever did her makeup was amazing. The eyes are done, so we're just gonna do a quick wing, which, by the way, I struggle with the wings. Yeah, it's a struggle. So we want to make a little wing, nothing crazy, nothing. Make sure you go slow. But anyways, I am seeing Dua Lipa this March 2022 in Seattle with my best friend, and we're gonna go watch her. And as soon as I found out, I had to tell her, like, hey, we have to go watch Dua, she's coming. And I can't wait to see what the set looks like. She's a great performer, okay? Like, all her songs are amazing. Everybody knows her songs. Like, it's just gonna be great. My favorite song right now is Fever with her and Angelique. I just love that song, okay? That one and Pretty Please right now. That one's pretty cute. So for the bottom liner, this was the tricky part. I wasn't sure how it was gonna come out, but basically I used just a black shadow and a small little tiny angle brush to try to make those lines, because it's very hard and you don't want to go too hard. You don't want to put too much pressure on it because, you know, it's black, so you want to be very careful when you do that. I hope I did a good job, but sorry if that was a little disappointing. Now put on some mascara. I'm gonna put falsies later, so it doesn't matter how good I do it. Just do whatever you want. Now we're coming to an end, the lips. So she does have a little coral moment on her lips. Make sure you use a lip liner first so your lips don't disappear, you know, using the coral or any lipstick in general. I like using a lip liner just to give my lips some shape, because yeah girl, as you can see, you know, I need a little help in that department. But anyway, I hope you like this video, and if you love Dua Lipa, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing more Dua Lipa content. So please, I'll see you next time.